Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're talking about just some recent things I've done. Let's talk about an amazing shoot I had recently. I had some free time, I was house sitting, and I just was thinking, you know what, I want to shoot something that is something you're going to constantly go against when you're shooting as a photographer, is the idea of like trying to capture a lot of different looks in a day. Maybe you're trying to build someone's portfolio, or you're trying to build your own portfolio. I shot some lingerie looks. We shot some more, lifestyle looks outdoors, and it was just a great, overall shoot. I shot digital with my Canon R6 Mark II, and then I also shot film with my Nikon F4, and I shot also medium format on my Mamiya 645 AFD. When it came to the references, I was looking at something a little bit very classy and almost like luxurious. So I had this white lingerie set. I put Alana in the set. She was, sitting in like a dining room chair. She was like near the window, looking out the window, staring at the mirror, where looking at herself in this golden mirror. I was utilizing the space and negative space and trying to just really utilize the natural light when I could. I really like the digital shots that I did with this, and I also like the film looks. I think the film is great because the film has a soft, almost like softer focus feel, which I think really lends to what I was trying to do, which is like capture something more delicate and soft and dreamy. And I think it was really cool. I shot Kodak, I think Portrait 800 on the Mamiya, and then I shot Portrait 400 on the Nikon F4. I also used my Pixis 12K, and I had the Blazar Mantis, either the 50, I think I varied from the 50 and the 35 millimeter Blazar Mantis anamorphic lenses on the Pixis 12K. And I really just love that pairing on this camera. But I love these images, and I'm really excited how they turned out, and the model loved them as well. Now, this second look was also a lingerie look. It was a black set. I had the model, wearing black lingerie. I had a satin robe, that she could play around with. I had the model play around near the staircase, and just really, mess around with this, this look and get some really cool images. When it came to lighting, I used all natural light. I just used the window lights that were coming through from the various windows. I also shot through the railing of the stairwell, which I think added a cool perspective. I frame it within a frame, and I think that was a cool compositional choice. Mostly shot with the Mamiya 645 for this. The Mamiya 645 AFD is like my favorite medium format camera, just because of like the technological advances with this camera. It's basically like a DSLR but medium format and film, and it's just amazing. I think these images turned out great, and I'm really excited to showcase them. Now, the third look, we jumped into the car and we wanted to do something a little bit more like lifestyle, more like, right in the sun, because we were shooting around the time when the sun was going down, but it was like still early afternoon, and it was a lot of hot sun. So you have to adapt in those situations. And for this particular look, this lifestyle type look, I had the model in a white, lingerie top. She had like a gray blazer on, some jeans. It was more casual and a little bit more lifestyle. So I didn't mind just like shooting bright sunlight and having the sun just like blast her and just like really capturing that look just because of time constraints. I think I shot mostly digital and just shooting Portrait 400 and capturing really different looks. And I love the visuals that came from this particular shot. Now, the last look we did was a shoot where we had the model in this like really flowy little skirt. She had I call it a auntie top because it's actually from my wife's aunt, she gave us like all these like vintage clothes, and I love the top. So I was like, hey, would you like to shoot with this? And the model was like, yes, I love this top. So we shot this red top, the auntie top, and then we found a trash can. I love shooting in front of trash cans. I don't know. This is a weird juxtaposition, but I think it looks cool when you're shooting fashion. I shot some film, I shot some digital, and I really like this look. And I would say it's my favorite look of the day because I just love the color contrast and the green trash can and the red top, and I don't know, it just looked really great. And of course, Alana was doing amazing posing, and she was having a lot of fun trying to climb the trash can and just like posing in front of it. And I think it turned out really great. Moving forward, I am excited to shoot more personal projects, more fun little side projects, and document it and put it on the channel and share it with you guys. If you have any questions about photography or videography, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Peace.